Hi guys, I wanted to give a quick overview on the current state of Kontakt integration in VS Code. And to show you the main features, I'm going to use a real-world Kontakt project from Sonoscore that I have been a part of. Now, for this all to work, you will really only need a Kontakt instrument with linked resources in your workspace. And most importantly, you will need to have installed the VS Code extension CKSP tools, which you can get for free on the VS Code Marketplace. For more infos and a download link, check out the video description below. The newest addition is the ability to open Kontakt instrument files or NKI files in Kontakt directly from within VS Code, and even reading the Kontakt log in a separate window in VS Code. So reading everything that KSP outputs like messages, script warnings or script errors. And what is more, you can even jump from individual log entries directly to the corresponding line in your script, which I think makes debugging much easier. I have opened the CKSP tools extension in VS Code and opened a project that we developed entirely with the VS Code extension and CKSP. It's called Lux Orchestral Strings. And we have, well, several folders in our sidebar here. We have the dev folder with several CKSP modules. But it's important to note that you do not need to use any features of CKSP for the Kontakt integration that I'm going to show you. So you can work with plain old KSP as well, and you can still benefit from all the debugging features. Besides the CKSP modules, obviously we have an instrument folder with all the NKI files and all the Kontakt instrument files. Now, once I click on one of those instrument files, VS Code will open a separate custom view for this instrument file with some basic metadata information that your instrument might provide or might not provide, and a few buttons up here at the top to, well, open this file in Kontakt, close a running Kontakt instance, or open the Kontakt log in a separate window. Down here, we also have an important section, which is the script slots section, which mirrors the script slots within Kontakt itself. So we have to tell the VS Code extension which resource file we have placed in which script slot in Kontakt. Once you click on this drop-down menu here, you'll get a selection of all the script files that the VS Code extension could find in the scripts folder in your workspace. Now for this instrument, I already selected the script file that we placed inside the NKI. And with that being done, I can finally open this NKI in Kontakt. So I'll just click on this button and a Kontakt instance will open. As you can see here, this is the project. It's in a development mode, but more importantly, right here, the Kontakt log automatically opened, and we see a lot of messages and warnings that this instrument outputs. Now, let's just switch to a dual view here. And let's just say I would like to know exactly, well, the context in which this Kontakt script warning emerged. And to specifically get to know this context, I'll just do a command click on this specific log entry, and the VS Code extension automatically leads me to the corresponding line in the corresponding script file that we assigned to this script slot. So as you can see, this is the line in question. It has even got a squiggly line underneath, so it has proper VS Code diagnostics. And when I hover over it, I can even see all associated Kontakt messages to this line. Now it gets even cooler because we don't necessarily even need the Kontakt log window. We can just press Command J on Mac and we can open the Problems tab. And every Kontakt log entry is also now present in the VS Code Problems tab with proper error diagnostics. And you can go and scroll through all the lines and every Kontakt log that emerged, and you can just click on them, and VS Code will straight up jump to the line that it associates with this Kontakt log entry. And this is dynamic as well. So this will get updated, and all new info logs or script warnings will just get appended right down here in the problems panel, and you can immediately jump to it and see more of the context of where this error might come from. So this was just a quick showcase of what the current state of Kontakt integration can already do for you. I hope this will be helpful, and I'm looking forward for you guys' feedback. Thank you.